Hey everyone, it's Andy, Mike Johnson's Toyota. I want to show you one that's fresh out of the oven. 2022 Tundra SR5 package. This one we added the lift kit to. Fuel 20-inch wheel, Falken wildpeak tire. Nice looking setup. It's a 295 60/20 Predator step boards, blackout kit. Good looking truck. If you got a Tundra or a Toyota, you want it looking like this, give us a call. 828-328-5586. Visit us on Instagram at Mike Johnson's Outfitters, Vehicle Outfitters, or go to hickorytoyota.com. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.